What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome or welcome back. How y'all doing? In this video, we're just gonna be chatting it up, okay? I'm gonna do my makeup, chat it up with you guys. That's pretty much it. I might turn this into a vlog depending on what my next move is. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure that out. But we all just here for the journey, okay? I don't really have a lot of time to just, play around. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my makeup. I did just install this wig. I did not record, even though I probably should have, but me recording actually takes a long time. So it takes up a lot of time, I should say. It does get very distracting when you're recording and trying to do stuff. I'm sorry if this angle is like terrible. Like, this is the best that I can do for y'all, okay? I'm sorry. It's gonna get better. Everything is gonna get better, I promise. And this is like the lowest I could get the camera, so this is what we're working with. Unless I can find a way to like set myself up. I just made me a little booster seat. But my mirror's down here, so this is where I'm gonna be looking doing my makeup, okay? I always use Eco Boost to lay down my eyebrows when I do my eyebrows, so not too much. It does work for me though. I don't know about anybody else, if anybody else has ever tried it, but it works for me. So try it. If you like it, I put y'all on. Today is September 2nd. It's my birthday month. I will be 24 this month. Crazy. It's like time just be flying by. If I could just be 16, 17, well, maybe like 18, 19. I was graduated high school by then. I graduated at 17, so take me back to like 18, 19. Even though those were rough years, it doesn't matter. I would do them so differently. As far as like once I got out into the real world, I would have done things so differently. But everything happened for a reason. Everything happened the way that it's supposed to happen. So it is what it is. I'm just grateful to be alive, okay? I just genuinely hope I can stay in frame for you guys, because when it comes down to me doing my makeup, I get up close and personal up in the mirror, okay? I don't know how I need to set this to where I'll stay in frame, but I probably should have already done my eyebrows off camera, because one thing about me, I don't play about these eyebrows, okay? Eyebrows frame the face. I need to stop looking at myself and look at the camera. Ugh. Now that I at least got this out the way, I think I can talk now. I'm actually kind of excited for my birthday. Like, I don't have any plans at all. Like, I don't have the first thing planned, but I'm just gonna go with the flow, honestly. Like, if something happens, then cool. If not, cool. Like, I would honestly rather just not have any plans than to make plans and they don't fall through. Yeah, whatever happens, happens. Like, it is what it is. I don't really have like associates or anything that if I was to do something, who am I gonna invite outside of like immediate family? But even them, like, I don't know if I want to just be around everybody on my birthday, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know, I kind of just want to be alone and enjoy life, but at the same time I want to do something. At the same time, if I plan something and it just doesn't fall through, I'm gonna be upset. So I need to put my food in the oven. I heard the oven go off a long time ago. Look at that. Eyebrows is already doing what it's supposed to do, period. I promise I'm gonna find a better way to record eventually. It's really just this stand is kind of too tall, so it's not like right in front of me. It's more so like I have to look up. So I'm sorry if the angle is weird to y'all. It's weird to me, at least when me trying to record and stay in the frame and do my makeup. Okay, now that I at least got my eyebrows eyebrows out the way because baby, I can't focus and I can't talk and do my eyebrows at the same time. Like I just absolutely cannot. Somebody did ask me for an eyebrow tutorial before I even posted my first video, because I would post little snippets on my Instagram. And someone had asked for an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm gonna do one of those eventually. I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer. Then I'm gonna put my food in the oven. That way give it time to like sit on my face. The agenda for today is really just to, honestly, I don't want to spoil it. So if it ends up happening, then it ends up happening. And if not, then it doesn't. But if things do go as planned, then I will take you guys along. And if not, then hey, at least I got a video, okay? I really don't have any like real ideas as far as what to do when I'm recording. Like I know everything is content, like pretty much everything, anything and everything is content, can be content. I just have to make it, you know? I just have to make the content. I used to always come up with all these different excuses with stuff, and today I kind of proved to myself that some of these excuses are literally just that, okay? Like I used to be like, I can't do a wig with nails on because I can't braid. Baby, my hair is not braided up underneath here. I twisted up my hair last night in a 2-strand twist, and then I was like, let me just see, because this is really all last minute. But I didn't feel like braiding my hair down, so I was like, let me see if I can just do my wig without braiding it down. And baby, here we are. This shit is late, okay? That's one reason why I didn't record, because I didn't even know if it was gonna work out, but it worked out. Still need to fix my toes though, like my toes. Well, the polish, everything is still there. It's just, you know, some white polish gets dingy over time. I'm not trying to go nowhere with dingy toes, especially when they're supposed to be white. Like, girl, it's like, what do you be doing? But I had these white toes for like almost 2 weeks, so it's about time to redo them anyway. I don't know why, but like when I do my makeup, my nose starts running. Do that happen to y'all? Like, to the girls that do wear makeup, do y'all nose be running when y'all do y'all makeup? And what does that even mean? Like, what does it mean? Am I allergic to the makeup? Help me. I'm gonna go put my food in the oven. I'll be back in like 1 second. Literally. See, I told y'all I'm gonna be going long. Eating a pot pie. It's one of those like quote unquote vegan pot pies. It has mushrooms and spinach in it. Oh my gosh, I had it before. It was so good. I got it from HEB. They might have it at like Walmart and stuff, because I know HEB is only in Texas. But y'all, help me with some like different ideas, different things that y'all want to see. Now, if I don't want to do it, then I'm not gonna do it. Like if I don't feel like it fits me, where I'm trying to take my YouTube, or not even where I'm trying to take it, where I am taking it, I'm not gonna do it. But if y'all have any ideas, like I'm open to the ideas, let me know and we'll see. I definitely have a few pranks in mind that I'm gonna do, and I'm excited for that. I'm really excited for the pranks, just because I've always kind of been a little prankster. Like even as a kid, it's this one hiding spot I always used to go, like at my grandma's house. It was where the trash can was, so people had to walk through there in order to throw their stuff away or whatever. So if I knew somebody was coming, I would hide right there and just scare the crap out of them. I've scared my grandma and papa a couple times before, but I stopped because I realized like they're older. They, you know, I don't want to send them into a heart attack or nothing like that. Then my uncle, I got my uncle one time, he used to be in jail, so he got mad at me for doing it. Cause, you know, PTSD, stuff like that. And, you know, I was a kid, like I ain't thinking about stuff like that. Hell, I didn't know what PTSD was. I was like, nah, I'm not trying to fuck around and find out. So I stopped fucking around. And I never found out. But other than that though, like I really like playing pranks on people just to get a reaction, I guess. I guess you could say I just like to get a reaction out of people. But it's gonna be some funny stuff. Like I'm not gonna play with people's emotions or stuff like that. I don't like playing with people's emotions, because I don't like my emotions played with. I know I'm a crybaby. I'm a certified crybaby. Like I will lose my when I tell you I will lose my cool in a heartbeat. Honestly, let me not say that, because I have been working on my attitude a whole lot. Like honestly, back in high school, I would just cut people off. I'm so over a lot of things in life now. It's just like, whatever. And these brushes are old. It's definitely time to get some new brushes. I don't want to do my makeup and then my face break out. Like, I'm gonna be so highly upset. Absolutely not. That's really how I know when I'm about to start my cycle. One, I get extra emotional. Like, I'm even more emotional than normal. Two, I start breaking out. I'll either break it on my forehead or like on my cheeks. Those are the main areas I break out at when I'm starting my cycle. Oh my gosh, it breaks my heart every time. Like, oh my gosh, I just broke my brush. I just broke my damn brush. See, I told y'all it's time for new brushes. I definitely do need to start going to therapy. I just need to find a good therapist. I don't even know like where to look for therapy. I had this one job and there was a therapist's office right across from me, but I just don't know if they're gonna be a good fit because I would prefer someone that's of my ethnicity just because I feel like they will understand more of where I'm coming from. Not saying that someone of other race can't help me, but me personally, I just feel like someone with the same ethnic background as me will be able to understand on a deeper level where I'm coming from and will be able to guide me a little bit more, will be able to guide me better. Guide, it sounds like I'm saying God, but honestly, yeah, we need him too. We need God too, for sure. I definitely need God in my life. And that definitely helps a lot with like my anger and like when I'm worrying, I just remember what God said. I just remember what God told me, and I know I'm gonna be okay. Like, regardless of what the situation is, regardless of what is going on, I know God got me at the end of the day, and everything is gonna be okay. Everything might not work out the way I want it to work out, but it's gonna work out the way that it's supposed to work out. I really did my makeup pretty quick. I'm kind of scared to edit this video because I feel like it's gonna end up being like 10 minutes long. But I'm so proud of myself though. I'm starting to get back in the habit of when I was taking YouTube seriously like 3 years ago. Baby, when I say I was on schedule, I was posting every other day. I would have videos already edited. They would just be on private. And when it's time for me to post, I would just unprivate them. When I tell you I was on my ish when it comes to this YouTube stuff, and not even just when it comes to this YouTube stuff, and life in general. Every now and then I look on my Facebook and I just see how much of a hustler I was. During COVID season, before COVID even started, I was doing nails. But then when COVID did hit, I was like, well, they finna start shutting stuff down. I need to figure out a way to make some money. Basically, I started a boutique. I was selling clothes. Like, I was selling clothes, I was selling jewelry, all types of stuff. I was making lip gloss. I was on my grind. I was selling bonnets with the matching like hair ties, all that. Promoting myself, taking pictures. They weren't professional pictures. They were professional enough. I was delivering. I was on the go. It wasn't big to where I was shipping stuff off, but I was constantly dropping stuff off. Like, you would think I was a drug dealer, but I wasn't. I used to be like, I'm finna go make some plays, man. I'm finna go make some plays. I ain't got time to talk. I gotta go make some plays. But that was just like my humor or whatever. Jesus, I'm running out of eyeliner. Honestly, I don't even feel like putting on eyeliner. Should I put on eyeliner?
Nope.
It's taking me too long to think about this. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna even worry about it. But yeah, like, I was certified hustler. And then life just started happening. I got mixed in with the wrong people and I just stopped doing everything. But best believe I'm gonna get back to that version of myself, because that version of me was just happy, carefree, like wasn't worried about nothing. Oh, and this isn't a tutorial, but if y'all got some questions about anything I'm using, just ask me. But honestly, nothing I'm using is crazy. Honestly, the most expensive thing I probably have is my eyebrow pomade. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. Honestly, no, it's not. No, it's not. I used to use Anastasia. This is e.l.f. My eyebrow pomade, e.l.f. All of my stuff is honestly from Walmart. Like, you can get it from a drugstore. I'm literally using drugstore makeup and it works like a charm. You really don't need a name brand of makeup for it to just come out good. You really don't. You really just have to know what you're doing. And granted, my makeup probably could be better than what it is. I don't like to use the blush. Honestly, I don't like blush. I didn't use too much contour because you can't really see the contour. I ain't gonna worry about it too much. I still look good, so it is what it is. I probably should have recorded on my hair. I'll do it the next time. Next time I do my hair, I'm gonna record for y'all, okay? And this is actual eyelash glue. This is not hair glue. Don't get me wrong. If I'm in a rush, I will use hair glue, okay? The hair glue is not ideal. I feel like my food is gonna be done like any moment now. I don't wanna fresh, but it's because I don't want the timer to go off while I'm trying to put on my eyelashes. Because one thing about that timer, I got the timer on the microwave. That motherfucker do not stop. That motherfucker gonna ding until you turn it off. Honestly, I do have a lot of blemishes on my face. Well, to me, for me personally, I have a lot of blemishes on my face. So the coverage is really, really good for this ought to be drugstore product. The highlight though, the highlight I use, you can't see it, but the highlight I use is from the crayon case, and I've had this for a long time. I've had this ever since crayon case was crayon case, okay? It lasts a long time. It looks really, really good. And you don't need that much, baby. You don't need that much at all. Y'all finna see. Literally, I just do a little dab, and that honestly might be too much. So I don't know if y'all see what I see in this mirror, but baby, that highlight is highlighting. You don't see that. That's why it don't take much. You do have to like blend it in though. I can't say that. These are dry. Well, not dry, but tacky. Hopefully they didn't get too tacky, because Lord, that one about didn't want to stick. This is one thing that I feel like helps my lashes look more natural when I squeeze them. Because a lot of people, they'll ask me if my strips are individuals. And when I tell them they strips, they be like, girl, that looks so good. Da, 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 da. I be fighting the urge to just be like, I know. But it's like, I know. And that may sound like stuck up, cocky, or whatever. But shit, if you know, then you know. If you know you look good, then you just know you look good. Now, it is harder to like squeeze your eyes together when you have on nails. But yeah, I need to go check out my food because I could have sworn I set a timer. There you go. There you go right there. Period, poo. Like, I did that. 46 minutes on the timer. I am gonna go ahead and do my lips just so y'all can see my lip combo, and I can close out this video, eat my food without worrying about having to come back and record. I don't know what it is with kids recently, but kids have been starting to come up to me a lot more, and I'm like, what the fuck, where's your parents at? But yeah, I don't know what it is with kids recently. Like, why are y'all just so okay with coming up to a stranger? Okay, example, like I've been going to the gym in my complex, right? One day I walked out and it was this whole family, a legit whole family. Mama, daddy, kids, little dog, all that. I was walking out the gym and they were walking past the gym. As I walk out, it was like 3 little girls. Well, 2 of the little girls just run up to me like they know me. And then check this out. The dog following right behind them. It was a little bitty dog just trying to climb up my leg and stuff. I'm like, what the fuck? I gave him all a hug and stuff, kept it pushing, but it was still like so crazy. Like, what would make you run up to me? What would make you just run up to a total stranger? And I really hope the mama didn't think the daddy was doing nothing, because baby, I don't know this man from can of paint. I don't know none of y'all from a can of paint. They just decided to run up on me like they knew me or something. I hope they don't do that to everybody though, because that could get them somewhere they ain't trying to be. You know, they say kids and animals, they know good energy. So maybe they just like my aura. And then today, when I was at the gym, the pool is right across from the gym. But I guess the kids were just in the gym. They didn't want to be in the pool. Surprisingly, I thought kids enjoyed being in the pool, but no. Those kids wanted to play in the gym with gym equipment. So I walked in the gym and they were already there. So I got on the treadmill, you know, running my mile or whatever. And one of the little boys, it was 2 little boys in there. One of the little boys got on the treadmill beside me. That treadmill don't even work, okay? Trying to run with me. But I just noticed like the little boy was just basically trying to do everything that I was doing. And then I had went inside the yoga room and closed the door in there. I had went in there and it's like the little kids started looking for me. I'm like, baby, I'm not your mama. You do not need to be looking for me, baby. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this look. Well, I like my makeup turned out. I really like him. If you have made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you for watching and sticking it through with me. I hope y'all enjoyed. Drop some more ideas in the comments. If you have like any ideas for me, anything specifically you want to see, I'll look over it and I'll think about it. If it's reasonable, I'll do it. If it's something crazy out of line, I'm not doing it. But I am open to suggestions. I do appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend, come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye!